Namaste and greetings to everyone. I am Suman Gale from Nepal. So when we talk about climate justice, I think we all lack the confidence to act. There are millions of people, there are thousands of NGOs, INGOs and civil societies that are talking about climate justice, but there is no one to act. If this indifference of human beings towards Mother Earth continues for next 10 years, human world gonna suffer massively. So it is the time that we ask ourselves, what am I doing to preserve Mother Earth, my common home? What do I do to maintain the sustainability of nature? So at least bring this awareness to oneself that Mother Earth is dying due to our indifferences. Only then our thoughts will be transformed into actions. So let's together preserve our Mother Earth and show our love and solidarity. Thank you everyone.